Dr. Masoud Zadeh, University of Manitoba, Canada. Dr. Masoud Zadeh, a distinguished scholar in the field of civil engineering, boasts an impressive academic journey and a wealth of impactful contributions. His major achievements include education. Dr. Zadeh holds a PhD from the University of Waterloo in Canada, an MSc from Amir Kabir University of Technology in Iran, and a BSc from Isfahan University of Technology, all in civil engineering. Postdoctoral research. During his postdoctoral research, Dr. Zadeh collaborated with the University of Guelph and Environment and Climate Change Canada. His groundbreaking work resulted in an advanced watershed model to accurately simulate daily loads of water quality constituents flowing into Lake Ontario from agricultural and natural lands. Current role. Dr. Zadeh is an associate professor in the Civil Engineering Department at the University of Manitoba, Winnipeg, Canada. His primary focus lies in the adaptive operation of the river reservoir network in Manitoba. This research addresses critical aspects such as hydroelectricity generation, climate change, and strategies to mitigate the impact of extreme events. Research interests and contributions. His expertise extends to the development and application of systems analysis tools. He excels in areas such as optimization, sensitivity analysis, and uncertainty analysis within water resources. His work also encompasses water resources modeling, design, and model calibration. His scholarly impact is evident through 27 published journal papers and an impressive H-index of 16, according to Google Scholar. Supervision and teaching. He co-supervised research by 4 PhD, 12 MSc, and 10 BSc students. External services. He is an associate editor of the Environmental Modeling and Software Journal. He received the Outstanding Reviewer Award by the Environmental Modeling and Software Journal and Journal of Hydrology. He is an external reviewer for NSERC. Best wishes for your future. Best Research Reward. Join our community.